7 reasons why corn patties with cheese are the new meat/corn patties with cheese. Corn patties with cheese are the new way to get your protein and enjoy a delicious meal. Learn why corn patties with cheese are becoming a popular choice for those looking for healthy alternatives to meat. Get creative with recipes, discover nutrition facts, and more. Having corn patties with cheese is as significant as having a lump of high-quality meat. Don't skip any points, and watch until the end. Healthier option: traditional meat patties can be replaced with healthier corn patties with cheese. Corn is a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, as well as being low in fat. In addition to protein and calcium, cheese also adds essential nutrients to patties. Corn patties with cheese provide nutrients and protein. Plant-based protein: for vegetarians and vegans, corn patties with cheese offer a delicious and satisfying protein source. When combined with cheese, corn provides a decent amount of protein. As a result, corn patties with cheese are an excellent plant-based protein option. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive important notifications, as well as likes and comments, which will help my videos grow. Flavorful and versatile, the taste of corn patties with cheese can be customized to suit a variety of tastes. Corn's sweetness complements the cheese's richness, creating a delicious combination. Moreover, different cheese varieties, including cheddar, mozzarella, and feta, can enhance the flavor. Dietary restrictions: people with certain dietary restrictions can enjoy corn patties with cheese. A gluten-free diet can substitute corn patties for traditional wheat-based burger buns, for example. The patties are also lactose-free or vegan-friendly, so people with lactose intolerance can still savor the creaminess. Corn patties with cheese are ethically preferable to meat patties in terms of animal welfare. With a plant-based option, you don't have to worry about factory farming or animal cruelty while enjoying a satisfying meal. Allergen-friendly: individuals with common food allergies can enjoy corn patties with cheese. Gluten, soy, nuts, and eggs are common allergens, so they can be made without them. Culinary creativity: culinary creativity can be expressed through corn patties with cheese. The patties can be enhanced with herbs, spices, and vegetables. You can create unique and innovative combinations by experimenting with different ingredients. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive important notifications, as well as likes and comments, which will help my videos grow. Reduced cholesterol and saturated fat: corn patties with cheese tend to have lower cholesterol and saturated fat levels than meat patties. Taking too much of these substances can lead to heart disease and other health problems. With corn patties with cheese, you can enjoy a satisfying meal while reducing your intake of these potentially harmful ingredients. There are various health and environmental benefits to eating corn patties with cheese, which are a tasty, protein-rich alternative to meat patties. In conclusion, in addition to offering health benefits, corn patties with cheese are also environmentally friendly, ethically sound, and allergen-friendly. Protein-rich, flavorful, and sustainable, they make an excellent alternative to meat patties.